Sometimes people come and ask, doctor, my face is very small, it's sunken cheeks, I don't have any fat in the face, what will I do? See, a lot of times what happens, the people who wanting to have fat in the face, they don't have fat anywhere in the body also. That's the problem sometimes. Because when we want to do the fat transfer, because we don't have any limit to the fat volume so that we can volumize the face however they want. But people who are already having a small face and the like a bony face, they don't have the fat in the other areas also. Then what are the options? Other options are called fillers. Fillers made up of hyaluronic acid. The hyaluronic acid fillers will be given to the various facial areas so that we can make the face looks more chubbier. And more than chubbiness, we have to make the face not very bony. That is the idea of the facial filler injections, where the sunken cheeks and bony face. So when you have a sunken cheeks, don't worry, you'll have the option even if you don't have the fat in the body. You have to understand this fact and approach your plastic surgeons. They'll definitely help you.